Okay guys, I just got this in here. A little out of order. I might post this video and be the part one. Anyway, I'm getting ready to tear this thing down the rest of the way. The engine's off. What we're going to do is we're going to repaint this. I got to smooth up everything, take the decal off, get this stuff off, get the wheels off, and we are going to I gotta find it. There's the paint. That's that. That's that. Where is it? It's in one of these. Yeah, that's for the engine. It's in this one right here. I'm wanting to say nope. Then that's the thing when you go and buy a bunch of stuff. Okay, automotive priming, self-etching primer. This is bare aluminum, so we need the self-etch primer. So so what color are we gonna make it? Light blue metallic. This is the color of the SS15. We're also, I know it probably isn't going to work. I've been watching videos, and the best clear is going to be from Eastwood, but we're going to try that. I'm gonna be, this is all gonna be rattle can. This is the governorless push mower that Terrell did the video on. It is mine, like I said in other videos. And we are gonna be repainting it. I gotta look at some stuff. This one, this little adjuster here, looks like the plastic's cracked. This one's cracked. This one's missing. This one's cracked. So we got to pop those off and see. So, I got this from Gary from H&R Pump. This deck has a hole cut out in it there, and then one for the exhaust. It's got 2 of the 4 hubcaps, but these are different tires. So, this is the same model as my red one in the back. And as you can see, it's got the plastic on the adjusters. And I didn't even know my red one was missing this. This is a little bit beat up, but it's got the rubber bumper guard on the front. So, I will be taking that off. I'm probably gonna go back up to there to H&R Pump and get more parts. There's the engine for the push mower in here. I pulled it off the other night. So we're gonna be going through a lot of this stuff. I'm debating on whether or not the top cover, painting it the blue or going black. Flywheel screen is going to be black. So, yeah. If done right, if I use this semi-gloss, then I clear over it, it should get rid of the semi-gloss and go gloss, if I remember right. Terrell's done this all kinds of times. I haven't. What I'm going to try to do is take one of these adjusters off so I don't have to pull these plastic pieces off and risk breaking them. I'm going to see if I can swap them over from the other one. But yeah, every single one of these plastic adjusters are broke. So, Look how easy that is to take off. So I got that decal. I have to pick up tomorrow. And then the one for the carburetor. Both of those I have to pick up tomorrow. I have a brand new muffin that Terrell gave me for that Tecumseh. That's discontinued now. Here are the bolts. So, let me get this stripped down. There's not much to watch. It's basic stuff, you know, and we'll go from there. Then I'll also go after the other one. And then I'll clean this up. What I'm going to do is clean some of it up with a wire brush. Then take some 600 and rough it up. And see how it goes. Like this stuff here, I gotta make sure to do it with a wire brush. It's very time consuming. So, you know, this, like I said, this probably isn't going to be showroom quality, but it will be okay for me. So, let's get started. And I'll see you in a bit.